Chima ka makang bisiyang baki. Pit senior everyone no karon atong pangutan ng mga tao kung kumusta na experience before which is last year sa karon nga sinulog. Tara.
How's your experience? Your first experience in Sinulog?
The best.
Experience, the best?
The best.
Why is that the best?
I think
You
it's
need to explain.
it's the people.
What's about the people?
They're very different compared to other people, other cities in the
Where are
Philippines.
you from?
From LA. Yeah,
Compare the Filipinos and the LA.
Yeah.
they're very friendly. They're more into skinship.
For this day
What more?
Skinship.
So I'm gonna ask
Skinship.
What's that?
Skinship. Like this.
Chima Kabakang!
Bisayang baki.
Thank you!
Compare experience last year and this year's.
Last year was a blast. Today was, I was very dismayed when I went here because... What's with the English, my dear?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Let's just continue.
Give it out.
You say mag-vote si Tomas or si Lama?
Tomas.
Ay, okay, okay. So, what's napili?
I don't know.
Kamusta sana ha?
Tomas nga. Ayaw pag-fuckboy.
Chima Kabakang! Bisayang
Baki!
Thank you. James, yeah. Sige na may question. Compare your experience for Sinulog last year and this year.
Fun. Okay kay ginaba.
Medyo ako bitching ay. Okay, sumuha namin ka lang ko. Sige na. Oh, shit.
Pero may Chima Kabakang yun siya gusto.
Ay, di na kay question. Kasi mas gwapa si Jennifer Mercado o siya.
Oy.
Hey, Chima ka ba ka?
Bisaya ka ba? Bisaya ka ba? Bisaya ka ba?
Say thank you. Something yung Sinulog last year o kanon.
Basta na ka ng business na. Last year. Last year, complicated sa ako. I don't know, saya.
Mas wild karon. I don't know.
Wild siya, karoon.
Di mo kami nagkuyog last year, pero mas wild.
Ito sa back to you.
Yeah, agree ko saya. Mas wild card compared last year.
Copy-paste
Pero
lang.
mas strict karoon compared last year.
Kita ka pulis.
Yeah.
Chima Kabakang!
Bisayang Baki!
Thank you!
Kasi question ini. Ay, compare your experience about Sinulog last year and this year's.
I think mas lingaw last year because of the kanang mga discos sa streets and then likewise karon kay murag lingaw man kay murag used to it ko kanang Saba
Dengan police.
yes
Dengan security.
oh nya karon kay murag lingaw gyud
Chima ka ba ka?
Bisayang baki
Marlon.
Marlon Abram
Insane!
Sige na may question ha. So compare your experience about Sinulog last year and this year.
oh then
It's more fun this year. It's more fun this year.
How about you?
the same
The same copy-paste? Same son! Chima ka ba ka?
Bisayang Baki!
Thank you!
Bisayang baki.
Eh, last year kayo nakaspad Sinulog.
wala
Wala? Asa mo ka last year?
Vegas Carbon
Pero na-experience mo last year yung Sinulog.
wa samo karon ay
Ano nakailang ka masama?
samo kay karon ko experience nga ni kay sa una wala ko nito wala mo ko dito
Kuya, kumusta mo pagbantay sa kadalanan?
okay naman
So far, so good.
okay
Kaya na may question na. Kisa mas gwapa si Jennifer Mercado o siya?
siya
Ikaduha na ni. Oh my God! So, Chima ka ba ka?
Bisayang Baki.
Thank you.
Last year, o karon. Mas yung yung flower kaysa last year. Asay mas enjoy.
Gahapon. Ano?
Di ba ka baka?
Okay.
Ngayon may question ha. So compare your experience sa Nolog Bisha last year and this year. Aba.
Wala mo ko dire pag last year.
As in, mo na lang experience karon.
Lingaw. Ora.
What do you want?
Oh my God. So about
Let's say people are more aware about the bomb threat that's happening right now.
ikaw aware sa kanang bomb threat? Kabaw ka na. Wala lagi ng motoron.
Anya po.
Okay, papag-sure. Gina ka ba ka?
Bisaya Baki. English man ba yung
Thank you, thank you.
Last year, super fun. Super party. Wala limitations. Yeah, dito tayo. Medyo. Pero we understand the security measures.
Oh my gosh.
We understand. But you know, you have to be responsible for yourself. It still is.
Oh my God.
First time at Sinulog.
No. Moto siya everyone, ang ilang mga experience from before, which is the last year Sinulog, compared karon. So ikaw, unsa man yung experience, i-compare mo experience sa last year yung Sinulog o karon. Unsa may mas nindot? Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Alfred YouTube channel. I have also the Facebook fan page, which is Raylis here. So like my fan page. Once again, this is Alfred saying, Chiba Kabakang, Bisayang Baki. Viva Senior, everyone!